chili paste, not spicy. The filling.
Very brave.
Are you sure? Very spicy. Oh, really?
Yeah.
Very spicy, You can try it. Very spicy.
Do you need milk?
Wow.
No. I like spicy stuff.
This is how about 10?
No, it's not even 10. Probably 5.
Oh, this one.
People like to eat the green one when they eat like 5. They
green
dip
one.
it.
The green one not that spicy.
No, that's not spicy.
Green one is a bit sweet.
This farm no chemical. I know this. The owner, they have no chemical. Not spicy?
The green one not spicy. The red one not spicy.
Try a
The
little
green
bit.
one is a bit sweet.
Yeah, it's true. The red one is a little bit more spicy.
But good, not too much.
Yeah.
It's not too much.
I like spices but
It's not too much like that. You count down like that. 3, 2, 1.